Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Windows 11, this Windows 11 PC from a macOS device. Now, I'm going to be making a few setting changes on the Windows 11 device. You just want to make sure that remote desktop is enabled, and then you'll need your IP address, and also you need a user and a password configured on this Windows 11 device. That's the information we'll need to input on the macOS device. Now let's go ahead and search for remote desktop settings. So once you get to remote desktop settings, you want to make sure that remote desktop is turned on. And if you go to remote desktop users, here you can add the users that you want to be able to access this device remotely. So that's the first part. The other thing you need is a user. If you don't have already a user configured, you can configure a user on here. So open computer management, search for computer management, and then here under you expand local users and groups, you'll see users. You'll see the list of users you already have. If you need to add a new user, right click, new user, input the details for the user, the password, and so on. And then now you have a user that you can use to connect to this device remotely. Lastly, we need the IP address, so you just open the command prompt, cmd, and then just type ipconfig, and on this computer, the IP address is 172.16.1.100. With that information, we can sign out because we'll be using the same user here to log in remotely. So let's go ahead and sign out. And I'll see you on the macOS device. Okay, now I'm on the macOS device. What we need here is a tool called Windows App, which used to be called Remote Desktop, and that's what we'll use to do the remote desktop connection to the Windows 11 PC. So just go to the App Store and search for Windows App, and this is what it looks like. Previously Remote Desktop. If you don't have it installed, you'll have the option to get it. For me, I already have it installed. I can just click to open it. So this is the app. Now I already have two devices that are already added. If it's your first time using it, obviously you're not going to have any devices added here. To add a new device, on the top right, click on the plus sign, and then click Add PC. Now you'll need the IP address that we got, which was 172.16.1.100. You'll need to input the username and password. So I already have my username input here. So you can add the username and the password. You can add the PC to a group. That's optional. We don't need a gateway. And then you can select reconnect if the connection is dropped. Click add, and now it's added. Now to connect to it, just double click it, click continue, and it's trying to connect right now, and we are connected. So it's a full screen here. I can minimize the window, and this is it. So I'm connected to the Windows 11 machine from my macOS device, and it's even showing the IP address here. I can work on both the devices if I want. I can work on the macOS device, and I can also work on this Windows 11 device here. I can access folders here, files, and so on and so forth. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Windows 11 from a macOS device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.